Alright, I'm going to do a review on the Intex Mariner 3 inflatable raft. I'm using this one for sailing. I don't have this. I have the sailing kit at home. I'm not going to do that today. Today I'm just going to kind of do the taking it out of the bag and inflating it. What you see on the very top of it, the white part there, that's actually the floor. I took that out of the bag because it's too heavy to lift. It's probably about 70 pounds with the floor. It gives you a semi-solid floor, and the inflatable raft. It's designed for 3 people. Okay, so this is what it comes in the kit. You've got 2 inflatable seats, and you've got 2 oars. And the oars, they snap together with these 2. They just push right in to pop them in or out. So they come apart and fit into a small bag. That's good. That's the boat. It's kind of folded up right now. I got to unfold it. I got the floors. You already seen the floor part of it there, but I'll that I have to put in first, and then I inflate it. So I'm going to put the floor in now. Okay, so this particular inflatable raft does come with a inflatable keel, which is right here, and the floor. Sorry about that. Right here. Where's the front? Here's the front. The front. Or if I can. So when I get the floor in, I have this front part here with a hole, and that goes over where you inflate it. So it's going to be something like this, but I have to tuck it in and then pump it up. I did get it in the best I could. It doesn't seem to fit stretched out like it really should, but well, let me inflate it and see how it goes. This has 2 Boston valves on each end. You can see them right here. And what they do is they allow you to inflate it. When you're inflating it, it'll let the air only go one way, so it won't come back out on you. When you're deflating, you just unscrew it and let the air come out. This is also made of thick material. It's actually 3-ply material with it's mesh in the middle, and it's surrounded by 2 I don't know what it is. Some kind of vinyl material, looks like, or actually not even. Feels like PVC. It feels heavy duty. I mean, it looks like it's heat welded together. So, anyways, let me start the joy part of pumping it up and see how that goes. Okay. I've only been pumping for 5 minutes, but and they're about halfway in each side. But I just wanted to show. I basically adjusted the floor, because if you inflate this full, there's no way you're going to be able to adjust this floor when it's inflated full. I don't think so. Now that it's just partially inflated, I can make sure the floor is in properly. The slats on the floor that you see there, those are slats right here. Those are hard plastic, so you want to try to make sure everything's in right, because you don't want the plastic to, you know, pop anything. I guess. I don't know if it would or not, but I don't want to take a chance. Just want to make sure it's in properly. So, okay. So, I finished inflating it. I am gonna show you the. I'm having trouble finding it. Actually, no, I can't here. This is the repair kit that comes with it, and I don't know if it's in there. I'm missing a small plastic piece that you can tell whether you're fully inflated or not. This right here, it comes with this little plastic piece with a measuring thing on it, and you line it up with that line over there. If you could see it, I don't know if you could actually see it or not. But anyways, and that'll tell you whether it's inflated too little or too much. You're going to be careful with these inflating them too much. I had an inflatable kayak. I've seen my video before. It was an awesome kayak, but I overinflated it one time and used it, and after that I just kept getting one leak after another. But that was my fault. Overinflated it. So that's what you got to be careful about. Remember, it's going to be the sun's going to make it expand. So keep an eye on it there. I do not see. Oh, wait a minute. Here it is. I got it. So It's this little piece right here. As you can see, it has just the markings on it. I'm going to line it up right now. Okay, so I do have experience. I've had another inflatable raft that was actually the same type material like this, and I basically inflated it. I guesstimated it before I found this one. It actually is perfect right now. But this material, it's really tough stuff, and I did inflate the keel too. I don't know if you can see, but this is on an angle right now because the keel underneath is inflated. And there's a rub. See this rub rail, I don't know what they call it. I call it a rub rail right here, and there's one underneath the keel too. So if you drag this along, like it's on the tar right now, it's not going to hurt it. I'm going to put the oars on, and I got the seats inflated just to show you what it does have. So this is the back of the boat here. Hopefully that's coming out in the video. They have this back here, and it looks like it's for a battery. You put a small battery in here if you're going to put the motor mount on here, which I do not have the motor mount, but the motor mount that you can get from Intex fits on here. You could probably make your own, but I'm not that talented. And you can put a battery in there, and you could have a little trolling motor or something to move you along. Here's the seats. Well, we'll see how they do. Inflatable, I don't know, they should be all right. Anything just to give you a little bit of leverage, up a little more, so when you're rowing. The oars, now let me see which way the oars are going to go. They're going to go like this because that's there. These are the oar locks. They just unscrew. The hole right there. Again, another boat that I had was similar material. It was actually more of a dinghy. It had it so you could mount a real engine on, a gas-powered engine on the back, which actually you probably could with this. I think it's up to 3 horsepower. 2 or 3 horsepower, 2 horsepower. So if you find a 2 horsepower motor, Honda makes one. I think it's 2.3 horsepower. That probably would work. Anyways, the oars lock in like that, and the other one would lock in the same way. Again, the oars will they'll come apart pretty easy, like that. That way you can put everything away, and it'll be easy to put away. So there's another bag right here. This is good for if you're going to bring a phone or something. Get a dry bag or a heavy duty, maybe freezer Ziploc bag to put your phone in and stuff. Don't just rely on this to keep it dry. That's about it for this. Let me deflate it and see where we go from there. The floor seems like it's in pretty good. Seems all right. I mean, it's heavy though. As I said, it's probably about 70 pounds. But it's got some nice features here. It's got the ropes around here. And they seem like they're held in pretty good. I'll be interested to see what happens when I get the sail kit on here. But I've seen videos of a sail kit on this boat, and actually it looks like it works out really well. I saw one video where one guy had it for years, and he was using the same thing, same boat, same sail kit. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to try deflating it now. Let me see how long that takes, and see if I can get it back in the bag. One more thing I forgot to add was where are they? Oops, there's one here. There it is. This one right here, and that's for, you put this in there, and that's for a fishing rod. All right, I'm going to show you how the Boston valves work. So when you're inflating it, whoops, I have it. You put it in here, and it's a one-way. I don't know if you can see, it's a one-way valve going in. When you want to deflate it, all you do is unscrew the whole thing, and as you can see, it goes right in. I can see right into the middle of this thing. So I do the same thing for this side. When you tighten the Boston valve up, you don't have to tighten them up too much. You want them enough so that you're not leaking out in the water. I've had that happen before in another boat. You put them on snug, but not too tight, or you're going to have a heck of a time getting them undone if your hands are wet. So I had to use the deflator on the seats because they were real tough getting the air out of them. So, but the deflator worked really good on the pump here. Again, I plug it in. This side deflates, this side inflates. Real easy. It's got the connections on there. I gotta do this quick, the train's coming. I just wanted to show you, here's the, this is the floor, so I took the floor, that was real easy. Now it's deflated, it comes out. And this is what's inside the floor though. So, it's solid plastic, so, and you add these things up and they actually are heavy in here. But okay, so I got it wrapped up, rolled it up. Not that bad actually, so far. Let me see if it goes in the bag. It actually rolled up pretty easy. But here we go, I'm gonna actually record this part. Try not to hit the camera in half, but I want to put the paddles will fit in here. And the pump. I'm going to keep the floor out again. The floor just puts too much weight in this thing, and it's, if you're young and strong, maybe you won't have a problem, but I'm not young and I ain't so strong. The manual pump actually wasn't that bad. Probably about 10 minutes. I'd say 15 minutes to pull out of your car, unzip it, pull it out, roll it out, stop pumping up. I'd say if you hurry it up, probably 15 minutes, maybe 20, but not bad at all. We'll see how it goes with this, and maybe I will like it just the way it is. So hopefully I do. Hopefully the sail kit will work good. My next video I'm going to put the sail kit on it. If I do that, I actually want to go sailing. So no need to tease myself on that today without putting the sail up, not being able to actually sail. So I'll do that on my next video, put the sail kit on it and test it out. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, sorry. And that's about it.